Now let's start with the fun factor. You're winding through forests, dipping around sharp turns, and catching amazing mountain views along the way. In our experience, this was our first time riding it, just me and my daughter, and we honestly had a blast. It made us laugh the whole way, and by the time it ended, we were both saying, "Let's go again." It's the kind of ride that hits that sweet spot of thrilling but totally enjoyable, especially for families or first-timers. So for this, I'm giving it a 3 out of 5 stars. This ride wasn't all that terrifying, unless you're afraid of heights, which could definitely add a little edge. But in terms of big drops or anything too intense, it stays pretty tame. I went on this with an 8-year-old and a 5-year-old, and neither of them got scared. They were all smiles the whole way through. Plus, you can control your speed, so if things ever feel too fast, you can slow it down and take it easy. That makes it super beginner-friendly, while still giving you a thrill if you want it. So, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5 for scariness. This coaster can definitely move, especially if you don't hit the brakes. Yep, it's one of those rides where you control the speed. I don't know the exact top speed, but I saw some say it can hit up to 35 miles per hour, though I couldn't find anything official to confirm that. When we rode it, we only hit the brakes when we really had to, and while it felt fast at times, it didn't quite feel like 35 miles per hour. Honestly, it seemed like it didn't go as fast as some other mountain coasters we've tried. Still, it gave us a good rush and had some nice quick turns, even if it wasn't the fastest out there. Because of this, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5 for the speed. I didn't time how long the ride actually was, but it definitely felt like a good amount of time. In fact, it seemed longer than the other mountain coasters we've done. What's really cool is that this one takes you up and down 2 different mountains, so it kind of feels like 2 rides in one. That second hill catches you by surprise and adds some extra excitement. It's not just a quick drop and done. You get a full experience out of it. And for this, I am giving it 4 out of 5 for the duration. The staff were super chill, helpful, and made sure everyone was safe and having a great time. We did have to buckle ourselves in, but honestly, that wasn't a big deal. They were right there to double-check everything and make sure we were clicked in and secure before sending us off. It felt like they cared about both safety and making the experience fun, which always adds to the vibe. So for this, I am giving 5 stars for friendliness. As of this video, the price for the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster is: adult ages 10 and up are $18.99 each. Child ages 3 to 9 are $9.99 each. Child must ride with an adult. For what you get, a 2-part ride with awesome views and a decent length. We felt like the price was totally fair. It's not overly expensive for an attraction like this, and especially for kids, it's a great value. You're getting a legit experience, not just a quick thrill. Now, I'm giving 4 out of 5 stars for the price. Thanks for joining us on our ride through the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster. Of course, whether you're chasing thrills or just looking for a fun, family-friendly adventure with amazing mountain views, this coaster checks a lot of boxes. From the laugh-out-loud moments, to the surprisingly long ride, to the welcoming staff and fair pricing. We had a great time and would totally recommend it. If you've ridden it before, drop a comment and let us know what you thought. And if you haven't yet, well, what are you waiting for? Until next time, life's an adventure. Let's Stewify the journey. Watch the POV of this ride here on the Stewify Adventures channel, also link in the description below.